Today is Friday, March 10th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna with the limiting feature for my friend Robert in North Carolina. I'm going to be doing a functional validation video now, having done a complete full restoration. The restoration included rewinding of the armature of the motor. It included the servicing of all 5 of the gears, including the motorized gear of the timing system. The system's been calibrated for self-parking, and this is the 4-wire variant specific to 75 and 76, although the 4-wire variant was from 73 through 76. There's slight differences. This has the limiting base feature. The limiting switch has also been rebuilt and calibrated, so I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. This is video number 2 out of a 2-video set. The first video showed the servicing of the gears that make up the winding system. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply power. And we're watching the antenna, and this is the limited rise feature. Okay, this is the 4 to 6 inch extension when you turn on the radio, and then we're going to be doing a full retraction, and the unit self parks. And now I'll go ahead and do a full extension, and we'll be watching the antenna go all the way and hit the cardboard at the very end. Okay, full 36-inch extension, and now we'll do the full retraction. And the system self-parks. So this is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fully restored power antenna for my friend Robert. This will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Cadillac Eldorado from 1967 through 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including the steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the original AM/FM Delco radios with the 8-track players and signal seeking features, as well as these fully restored power antennas. Today is Friday, March 10th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.